Be my porch swing angel, got my heartstrings tangled, got those eyes that'll bring you to your knees. It's her smile like Sundays, been a while but one day. Yeah, that girl, she's the only thing I need. Hey, this is Muscadine Bloodline's Porch Swing Angel. It's a really sweet song. I'm getting a lot of requests just to teach songs from them in general. So some of them I know, some of them I don't, but I really like this one. I know I'm doing a couple close together, but that's okay. So I hope you guys like them, all right? If you enjoy this video and you like my other stuff, please subscribe and hit the like button so you can get notified when I come out with new ones, all right? And thanks so much to everyone who's already subscribed. Like, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are seeing the notifications for the songs that you've requested, all right? So let's get into it. I saw that there were some other tutorials on YouTube for this song, and I didn't like them. And one of them is actually by Muscadine Bloodline, and I didn't think he did a great job teaching it. I thought he sounded awesome, and like he's definitely playing it, but he's not like teaching you all the plucking and the picking. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a very simple way. Okay, so it's a drop D. All right, so you just tune this one to D, the big E string to D. Okay. That one, right? So the way that you do it is you're going to just use these two fingers. You're going to pluck this string the whole time, and the big E string and the D string, okay? So you're just going to go back and forth. Okay? So you're going to start with it open, and then you're going to go to the 9th fret. All you do, I just use my middle finger, okay? But you just put your middle finger and you just move that to the different ones on the E string. Nothing else do you touch, okay? With this hand. So you just go open, 9 on the E string, remember? 5, okay, on the E string, and then open. And then you're gonna go 7, 9, 5, open. Okay, that's it. So that's how you do it. So now I'm gonna show you how to kind of play that with the chorus. So it's gonna be and be my, so you're gonna be, and be my porch swing angel. Angel is where you do 9, okay? Got my heartstrings tangled. So heartstrings is where you're gonna do the 5 on the 5th fret, okay? Strings tangled. Tangled is when you go back to open. Got those eyes. Eyes is where you're gonna go 7. Eyes that'll bring you. Okay, bring you. Bring you. It's gonna be 9. To your, okay, so yours is going to be the 5th fret again. Your knees, then open again. Then you just start it over. It's her smile like Sunday. So Sunday is going to be the 9th fret. Been a while, but one day. So while is the 5th fret, and then you're going to go up to the 5th fret, and you do open after that. Okay, so you do 9, 5, open. Then you're going to go back onto the 7th. One day, yeah, that girl is going to be 7th fret. Girl, she's the only thing so only is going to be the 9th fret. Only thing I need. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you're just going to be going back. E, D, E, D, E, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E. Okay, and you're going to have to kind of listen to it when you play it, but it's pretty easy. So yeah, that's how you're gonna do that. So you'll just play that the whole time. Now you can add other stuff in, like he showed you how to do. Like you can do your finger down the G string. Okay, so you can do that. What I just did just I'm just putting my ring finger on. Okay, and so you start it on the G string it's always on the G string. It's on the 14th fret, and then you're gonna go down to the 7th fret, 9th fret, 11th fret, 4th fret. Okay, but you only do that I would only do that at the very beginning. And honestly, if you don't want to do it, because I just thought his lesson was a little bit hard to follow. If you don't do that, the song still sounds great. You don't have to do that. You don't have to be doing. Okay, but that's the only other situation in which you would pluck anything other than the E string, the big E string, and the D string, is if you're trying to do that G. All right, you can do it at the beginning of the song if you want, but you don't need to. All right, it'll still sound great. It's kind of like a little bit more like lead guitar to it, but it sounds great without it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. It's been fun learning this song for you guys. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.